Welcome back, Tech Neighbors. This is Muzaffar Ismail from TechNave.com, and today we'll be doing the unboxing and hands-on for the Huawei P20. Honestly, the Huawei P20 never looked better with a shiny mirror finish metal back and frame that feels premium, light, and comfortable. The downside is that it is a bit of a smudge magnet, and it can get slippery. At a glance, there aren't many changes features-wise, except that yes, it has a front notch. But there's now a 24 megapixel front camera, and while the Leica-powered 20 megapixel plus 12 megapixel dual rear cameras stick out more than ever, the P20 actually hides many new features. This includes new AI features like a faster and more varied AI scene detection on top of food, like greenery. There's also AI stabilization for smooth video recording and easy shots at night without a tripod. It's a bit strange that the 24 megapixel front camera can only record video in 720p HD, but the rear cameras also now have a 960 frame per second super slow motion video recording as well. The new enhanced portrait mode lets you customize lighting, and there is an aperture and pro mode as well. It also packs in easy projection so you can turn the P20 into a desktop PC. There's also face detection that can unlock the phone using your face and an intelligent pickup mode, which puts the P20 on standby when you pick the phone up. We say this is intelligent because it doesn't turn on when you just jangle it about in, say, your bag or pocket. Thanks to the Kirin 970 processor, the P20 handles games just fine with lag-free performance, and the speakers are also quite loud.
I will climb, I will soar, I'm undefeated.
The new AI scene detection is simply awesome, as you can see with these camera samples, which have not been edited and do not use any filters. Priced at Rm2699, the Huawei P20 is the flagship smartphone for the mobile photographer on a budget. If you don't need the triple rear cameras or IP67 water resistance of the Huawei P20 Pro, then the Huawei P20 is an excellent choice, and it is more compact than, say, the Mate 10. While this isn't exactly a review, we'll be covering more about it in our actual review at TechNave.com. So stay tuned for that, click subscribe, and thank you very much for watching.